Baby? Pixie? Are you going to say hello? Are you, darling? Oh, have a clean. Pixie's over there, look. Being naughty. Pixie! Pixie! Hello, Zena. Hi, Auntie Diane. I'm in the garden weeding and cleaning and getting the decking ready to be stained. So it's quite a mess. I've pulled everything out. Pixie's over there. Hi, Laura. Hi, Janie. Here's Junior. I think I've disturbed him sweeping up. Hi, Lisa. Hey, Auntie Cheryl's here too. Oh, have a scratch. Oh, thank you, my sweetie. Hi, Mary. They always have to walk in the dirt. Bad kids. Junior, you going to say hi, Landon? Look, Landon's here. What are you doing, darling? Say hello to us. Hi, Kelly. Junior's doing fine, thank you. As you can see, he's resting, enjoying a bit of sunshine. Hi, Ursula. I know you're not that far from us. You should visit one day. Hi, Elena. I've got Rocky here too, but he's resting. Whoops, if I can get through. Hi, Saeed. Junior is a love bug. He's just full of love all the time. And a scratch. So lazy today. Perfect weather. Not too hot, not too cold. A little bit of sun. Hi. Hi, Noreen. I don't know. I'll keep him. Oh, whenever you want, Ursula, let us know. Junior stays white all the time, even though he does get quite dirty when he likes to roll in water or whatever he does. Hi, Nicole. Hope you're well. Hi, Jan. Hi, Saeed. Hi, Kaluha. Clara. Hello, Rocky. Excuse the mess on the table. I've pulled everything up. I'm back. Rockstar. Are you going to say hello to everyone, mister? Are you? He's having a snooze. He's eaten loads today. Hello, baby. What's this? What's this? Your eyes bad again. Hi, Candy. Hi, Jason. Where's your feather? Hi, Natalie. I'm having a good old clear out in the garden and I can't move. I'm trying to find his feather. What's this? What's this? What's this? Too many boxes in the garden and lights that we haven't put up for about a year. Come on, get it. Get it. Come on, cheeky boy. I think it's going to take me about 3 weeks to finish the garden. His eye's still bad. I don't know why. Laurent seems to think it may be neurological. It's quite worrying, really. But apart from that, he's doing very well. Looks a bit tight, but that may be after surgery. He is still a kitten. Pixie, come up. Come on, madam. I'm always busy, Kelly. Hi, Jelena. Get it. Get it. Get it. Pick it up. Hi, Jan. I had my new Karcher jet wash replaced yesterday, so it blew up last week. Pretty good company. Now I can start washing everywhere. I love his paws, but they're dirty. Dirty paws. Yeah, he's in great spirit. Get in the box then. Come on, in the box. Come on. In the box. Good boy. Thank you, Janie. He is looking great. Apart with an issue with his eye, which is quite worrying. But it's not affecting him. That's the main thing. Get it. Get it. Come on. Where is it? Did I disturb you? Did I? Did I disturb my baby boy?